Hi dear friends, this watch this relaxing story and learn English by watching this interesting story. So today my plan was to make samosas with green chutney, and I start washing potatoes. Of course, potatoes are the main ingredient. Then I put these potatoes on fire in pot and make them cooked well. When these cooked so much well, I put down these potatoes from the fire and just peel them off. After peeling, I just mash these potatoes, put some green ingredients like coriander and green chilies, of course, the main ingredients. Then garlic, and then put some peas in it and make a beautiful dough which I can fill inside the samosas. Then I make a beautiful hard dough, put some oil in it and just make it smooth, and then I just start making small slices and then cut them with cutter to make the perfect samosas shape. After doing that, I just put some material inside that samosas, and then my children were waiting obnoxiously. Then I just start pouring them inside the hot oil. Just make this thing clear that oil should not be so much hot so that they can cook outside and becomes uncooked from inside. So slowly and gradually me and my daughter started arranging these all samosas on a big leaf of banana. With all family, my grandfather, grandmother, my husband, my children, we all enjoyed samosas with tea. And definitely the main ingredient of samosas is a green chutney made up with chilies. So just look at this, how nice filling in inside the samosas and how smooth and silky chutney is there. So we all sit together and then start raining. My all family was enjoying this cozy evening inside because it was not too much cold weather, it was pleasant. I was tired. My tiny kids started eating and enjoying it, and I was really happy with this that my family liked my cooking so much, and they just praised me a lot. My kids asked that, Mama, can I take one more? Then I told them that why not, my sweetheart. There is a beautiful view outside the house. It was very peaceful night and beautiful moon was there on the sky. And just look at this, after some time then rain started, and they were feeling, my kids were feeling cold. They go to their grandfather. Hope you have learned a lot from this story. Kindly share your views through comment section, like, share and subscribe.